What's up, guys? Thank you for joining on this day in the life. I'm super excited today. We are gonna go check out one of our projects that are going on. We are gonna go look at a house that we are looking at purchasing. We are meeting up with a contractor. We're doing that first on another project to see what he says about it. So we have some things coming for you today. It's a not so busy Saturday. It is cold. It's a possible chance to snow. Wish me luck. I think you're gonna find the most value in the day in the life stuff. I don't know anyone that actually does like a vlogging style real estate investor type situation. I will say, since the last time you guys were on here, new information came up. I said that we were looking to list one of our properties, like get it all renovated and done by the end of January so that it could be sold for February. Turns out that there's a possible seasoning situation, which just means that if someone's coming to purchase the house, some loans require the previous owner, so me, the seller, to own that property for 6 months. This is not a huge complication because I did run the numbers on a 6-month holding period, but I was hoping to turn it around as fast as possible. So that's good information to know for people that are looking to flip. So there's a similar situation when it comes down to buying rental properties. Many lenders want to see you holding that property for a 6-month time period. As soon as 6 months clears, you can start the process, or if not, be closing on a refinance. And if you don't know what I'm talking about the BRRRR strategy. This is a really good strategy to purchase rentals and continue to build your portfolio and grow your wealth at the same time. If you want to learn more about the BRRRR method, subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, comment in the section below, interact, ask questions. We want to see you succeed while we succeed. So let's go get it. We have the backpack, we have the protein shake, and we just had breakfast, and we are about to rock the day. So let's get it. Super excited to take you guys on for the journey. It's snowing right now. I don't know if you guys can see this a little bit. Look at that. I'm actually utilizing the camera's microphone. If you can hear a lot of sound, maybe some wind, I'm gonna try and minimize that as much as possible. But if it does happen and I just throw the footage in there to make sure you guys hear a little bit of it, just know I'm getting a new microphone, and we want to make sure you guys have the best experience when it comes down to sound and quality. But right now we're utilizing what we have because that's what you have to do when you start out. So if you want to help out the channel, sub and give the channel a like. It's completely free, but it helps us out a ton. Before I get going driving, I was just thinking about it. I want to make sure you guys know, like, it's cold outside. It sucks. It is not fun. But these are the days, and also it's a Saturday. These are the days that it takes to conquer and become the best that you can possibly be. So get after it. So I'm literally pulled off at a light right now, and I see an owner financing, must sell, no banks. I'm gonna give that sign a call. I tried to give that number a call. It's a disconnected line. No big deal. But if you see a sign that says that, give it a call. That might be a lead. You never know what's gonna happen. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. So the contractor's already here. Let's get it. It is snowing. Hopefully nothing is actually busted on the inside of this house. What's up? This actually went and ran off.
Huh? Somebody took it?
Yeah.
That sucks.
Yeah, so I got to figure out a new plan with that. It actually worked out better. It was kind of like a safety hazard in my mind, so.
You need to take all the brick down. Repair the wall.
That's what I was saying, yeah. Yeah, so the plan with this one is kitchen all on this wall. It's big enough to fit everything.
Fridge also.
Yeah, fridge here, sink here, and I have it mocked up of everything because I measured that out already. And then, yeah, dishwasher, and then stuff up.
No man, everywhere you don't see sheetrock, you gotta put it.
Let's go. Can't nobody hold us down. Can't nobody take my crown. My mic, my light, my sound. What you talking about? I run this town. Invincible.
He had a stove, but somebody walked off with it.
Love me, chop it. If you hear me and you feel me, let me hear you say who rock the best. You rock the best. Thank you. If you hear me and you feel me, let me hear you say who rock the best. You rock the best. Gratitude. If you hear me and you feel me, let me hear you say who rock the best. You rock the best. Right on. If you hear me and you feel me, let me hear you say who rock the best. You rock the best. Nitro. Let's go. Can't nobody hold us down. Can't nobody take my crown. My mic, my light, my sound. What you talking about? I run this town. Invincible like rocket. Can't name none of one of y'all stop me or not me.
And then the opening from the bathroom comes out to the back side.
What you think about that? This slam hard as Shaq. I ride
Window going back right there?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah. So we just got finished up walking through this property. This one is a crazy project and no one else wanted to take it on, and it is definitely gonna be a pain in the butt, but we're gonna knock it out and we're gonna take it to new levels. One thing that I wasn't really expecting straight off the bat was people breaking into spots and stealing our equipment and supplies and whatever else, but that's just the nature of the beast. That's what you have to deal with. People out there, you know, they need it more than us, I guess. So I'm locking up here and we are about to go to another property, the one that we're considering purchasing, and I hopefully will be able to take you along and show you everything that's in there. If not, I will talk to you later, but see you guys there. Just showed up to the property that we're gonna go check out. I'd love to buy this house. It's in a great location right next to one of the best high schools. It's a good house. It shouldn't need much remodeling, but we will see once we get in there. And if we can get it for a good price, we'll buy it.
Like the whack, bougie flow, call it front neck. If you hear me and you feel me, let me hear you say who rock the best. You rock the best. Thank you. If you hear me and you feel me, let me hear you say who rock the best. You rock the best. Gratitude. If you hear me and you feel me, let me hear you say who rock the best. You rock the best. Right on. If you hear me and you feel me, let me hear you say who rock the best. You rock the best. Nitro. Let's go. Can't nobody hold us down. Can't nobody take my crown. My mic, my light, my sound. What you talking about? I run this town. Invincible like rocket. Can't name none of one of y'all stop me.
They do have this flooring.
I was about to say that. Okay.
So
Waiting on me, well here I am, this the jam. Rock it like a one-man band, this your chance. Spit it now, try to advance, try to expand under these circumstances. My flow is so elegant, which is why you should enhance my finance. I ain't got no tolerance, just arrogance.
Okay.
The biggest issue you don't have is it's not an issue. The biggest thing is finishing the hardwood.
Let me hear you say who rock the best. You rock the best. Right on. If you hear me and you feel me, let me hear you say who rock the best. You rock the best. Nitro. Let's go. Yeah, and I'm so precise. I'm the one that teach cats how to hold them.
So the roof is old. Clean this up, just make it look good.
This green color, just touch it up. Make the house look a little fresher.
Is that green to you?
Give me a slice. Nitro, when I'm back for more, I'm at a dough, an animal, a carnivore, with a picture of Biggie up on my wall. MCs be praying on my downfall. Stop with the madness, I'm the baddest. And if you didn't know, almost is the saddest word that you ever heard. This is absurd. Raw raps in the rhyme in the
So we just got done talking with the owners. We're gonna get some numbers ran on what we think is gonna need to be fixed, and then we're done. And we'll make our offer, and hopefully we can work out a deal. I think it would be a really good rental. It's in a great location, and it would be a perfect long-term hold. Hopefully we could buy it, renovate it real fast, and then get it rented out. I think it would rent really quick. I appreciate your guys' support. Like, comment, subscribe, you know the whole deal. Share the video with someone if you found any value. Stay tuned for the next video if you want to see more of what we have going on.